Hello, 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 everyone. Uh, Today we will be continuing what our great father, Regixinald Thearch, started back in, man, I don't know what was it, the 1880s. It was, even though he has a very European name, I think he's actually a great example of, uh, there was obviously intelligent people all across the globe, and I know often we respect our European forefathers, but what of the South American? What of the African, the Middle Eastern, the Southeast Asian? You know, they were all really smart too. And Regeximal Thearch was none of those. He was Prussian, and he used to carve these intricate designs into into stone. He made this whole language of brackets and braces and backslashes and dashes and thanks to him, we now have what we like to call a regex today, and that's what we're going to be continuing on in our work today. As you can see, you might be wondering, what is he sitting on if his office chair is right behind him? Well, I have my chairs in a RAID 0 configuration currently, hot swappable. And the reason is because I fidget around a lot and I'm tired of having that huge chair. It bothers me. I can't really move around. I'm always bumping my mic, so I've gone for a more lightweight option. I am growing my array of chairs horizontally, not vertically. If it works well, I'm going to start a Y Combinator soon. I don't know what that means. Sponsored by Coke Zero. So much aspartame in me. I'm going to grow a sixth toe by the time I turn 25. I did some coding off stream. And by coding, I mean I added this little a section to what I had earlier. And then I also added this little section right here. Beautiful, right? But as you can see, by the way, I love this website. It makes it feel like a game. Like, oh, so here's what you want to match, and this is how you're trying to match it. But yeah, as you can see, I'm getting every single course code every time. And the idea behind that is obviously, okay, this matches a capital letter. I want 3 or more. 3 seems arbitrary, but it's because I do have access to every single course code. And every single course code has at least 3. And you can just look at all of them. It has at least 3 characters, 3 capital characters. So that's a cool distinction I can make. That'll help me. Honestly, I should just be as specific as possible. See, I wonder if there's like regex, what's the word? Standards, best practices, right? Oh, because this should give me the same thing. Sure, let's be as specific as possible. And then, so basically, it can have 3 or 4 letters. It has to have a space. Then it has to have any amount of numbers. I'm less sure. 1 or more numbers, right? That's the plus. So any digits 0 through 9 plus. So any amount of digits. And that works fine. I'm not sure. Like, I would like to say that 3 digits is the max, but I'm not completely sure about that, so might as well. And I know you can have 1 number, so Yeah, we can just keep it like that. Then eighth, again, in the set, when you use the hyphen notation, you're giving a range of possible numbers you're okay with matching. And in this case, after my numbers, I want either 0 or 1. Sorry. I want either 0 or 1 capital letters to follow that number, right? So some classes like CSC 101 don't have any letters after it. Other classes only have one, right? And like I said, if there's a class out there somewhere that UCSD put out that, you know, is like Math 20 AB, sorry, I guess your class will not be supported with my technology because that's stupid. What more identifiers do you need than 3 numbers and the letter? My fault. But yeah, okay. So this clearly, I think this is basically both of the texts in all my schedules. And as you can see, it's grabbing exactly what I wanted to grab. Maybe we can make it more clear like this. Yeah. So cool. This regular expression works for grabbing the course code. So we're going to use it. So here's the file we were using, and so this little function, I'm starting to reuse this code a lot, but I think it's fine for now. So, man, maybe this chair might have to hit this hot swappable chair action pretty soon. I'm getting a little uncomfy. It's only been 7 minutes. Oh no. Okay. Damn, I should have brought tissues too. I've been having posture. I don't want to end up like this, as so many in the industry do. Don't want to be at a coffee table. Oh, I was watching the Primogen's video. Apparently, one, he hates Regex, and two, the CrowdStrike. I haven't finished watching it, as most people do. So who knows what I'm talking about? But apparently, you know, Regex was a big major contributor in the CrowdStrike outage. So it's a good thing I'm learning it, because maybe one day I too can, you know, destroy the world with Regex. So I don't know, learning something relevant, you know? So here we go. What do we want to do now? So we got our time, right? We were trying to extract the title here. Oh, our subject course, actually. So right, this is where I want to paste in my regex. Yeah. And now we're going to get every subject course. Boom. Oh, all right. Right now it's only doing it for yeah, for this file. Let me get some more natural light in here. Let me be clear. Sandat. Yes, that is a meme. Hold up. Sand at 1700 degrees Celsius. Let me be clear. One of my favorite memes of all time. Right. So as you can see, I got both subject courses, CSC 101 and Math 178. And then if I were to, and obviously we did the time string yesterday, to switch the PDF files that I got Math 20D, Math 103B, and Math 170A, which is the other one. So that works as intended. That's good. And yeah, the reason why there's all those extra spaces is because the way I'm printing it out is I'm basically saying, oh, right, it's the wrong file. Sorry. I'm basically saying, so if the search returns false, then just print. Oh, you know what I should just do? I should just have it not print anything. Like it doesn't need to. Can I just? It's not a function, so I can't return. Is it like a do nothing? Why is this printing a new line? Right, isn't that weird? Like, why is it printing a new line? Because if I just commented this out, would it get mad at me? Yeah, and there's nothing to do. You know what? I should put this code in a function. Okay, let's do that. So we're going to define a function. We're going to call it print regex search. Okay. We're going to have it take in, I think I want to learn how to use Python type hints at some point because, let me just learn how to do it right now. Because my last class I took before graduation was C++, and I just feel more safe using types. Yeah, so how to use Python type. Please don't tell me I have to. Oh, wait, what is Dexter? Sorry. Okay. Do I have to import something? I do. All right, screw it. Never mind. maybe we'll do it. We won't do the next project in Python. Okay. Print regex search. It's gonna take in. We're gonna say data, and it's also gonna take in. Wow, and I love that this is just being passed by value. So I'm literally copying all of my data, but whatever. It's my first project. We'll worry about performance optimizations later. Data, and what else would I want to pass in? I want to pass in my regex search. My we'll just call it my because it stands for regular expression. I mean Regixinald Thearch. But okay, I think I just want it to look like this. And then so this function is gonna do for row in data, and then it's going to what else should I do? Maybe this needs to be called something more general, like query. Is that cool? That's pretty stupid, actually. I don't know if I'm using this word right, but it's my code, so I'm gonna just use it this way. Boop. And I need to, I mean, at some point I need to figure out how to, oh, right, that's the whole point. That's why I wanted to make a function, because if it's done, I just want to return. That was the whole point of that. And now else I can, I don't think I have to put a return here, which is also weird, but that's fine. Yeah, and then this is going to take in the regex string with the row. Okay, cool. Now I can reuse all this code in this way, for example. Oh, why isn't this working? That's weird. Print query equals regex search regex. Oh, it doesn't know what regex is right now. Okay, so I think we can call it as so. We can do something like extract title. Okay, this is my work for extracting the title. This is my work for extracting the subject course. So maybe we can grab this. We're going to put all like our regexes. What we really should do is declare them at like the top or something, but I just don't feel like doing that right now. Okay. Damn, I'm posture. Okay. I don't need this anymore. Maybe I do. Fine, we'll keep the test row in case I use it. But anyways, so now we can call, for example, print. Can I return this? Return print? Is that stupid? That doesn't help. Okay. And then print regex search. I want to pass in select rows. I want to pass in the time regex. And then, oh, here's what we can do. I'm stupid. Can return query group. That's what I was trying to do. That makes way more sense. And then how, I mean, I'm gonna just call these like times. Yeah. And then we'll say print times and we'll see if this works. That's not good. Oh, it immediately returns. I see. So I have to make it continue. Yeah. Okay. Ah, shit. Yeek. Why is it only running once? Because this should run for every row in data. Continue should go on to the next iteration of the for loop. Break? I don't know, man. I don't think that's going to do anything either. Yeah, why is this only running once? But then when I had it like this, it ran each time. What? That is going to break my brain. Oh, is it because... Bro, what? Uh, that is so weird. So weird. I'm gonna just try to see if I can. Why? Is there only one row in data? Like, what? That is blowing my mind. Why is it not going through every row? Oh. I'm so dumb. This is returning. Yeah, this is returning every single time. Yeah. So I guess I need to think about what would be a. Ooh, now I need to think about how I want things to be formatted. Yeah, I need to think about like the larger structure here because I'm really stupid. But basically, this is as this finds the first query and then it returns and then it stops running, which I should have got that, but I didn't. It's okay. But how it was printing out originally was like all the times. But I think I want to. I guess the idea is I'm going to call a function that looks like this, right? For every single like regex string, and then I'm gonna do that for every single row. So I guess I'm just gonna move all of this to the bottom for now. It's confusing me. Okay. Like when I actually run everything, I have a function called like parse data, right? And then it would take in the data, and then it would return a list of lists. Output data. Oh wait, but that doesn't need to be a parameter. Yeah, it would just take in the data. Then I do. Yeah, then I wouldn't want this to run like. I would want this to run row by row. So for row and data, for each row, I'd want this to happen. Yeah. So actually, I'm going to change this. This is going to be just passed in a row. A row. I'm going to shift tab this. Nope, that didn't work. Control. Wait, shift tab. There we go. Okay. Yeah, if it's none, return. Okay. We're going to just call this regex search now. Boom. And then I guess the way we could do this is we could have a list of, or an array of like all my regex strings. right? I think I made something like that in my original implementation. I kind of want to like just get on with it and keep trying to find the regexes instead of making like the outer code structure first. But maybe I should just make the outer code structure first. Yeah, so the idea is I'm going to have like a whole bunch of these. And I'm going to want to put all of them into a list. Is there like an efficient way to do that other than just making a million variables? Not really. So, well, I guess we should just start making all of them then, because they do have to be their own variables. So the list is subject course. Okay, I'm gonna copy this and then I'm gonna just like transplant it. Again, I don't want every single piece of information from here. So, okay, for example, this is gonna be called, we got the time, we got the subject course. The title I need. So title Regex. It's gonna be empty for now. Section code. Sure. The type. I do use that actually in my other code. So yeah, let's grab that. Instructor, yep, definitely gonna want that. I mean, I guess I really don't need it. But we'll see if we can grab it. We'll see if we use this. We might not need the instructor because honestly, that's not really relevant to like the Google. Like it'd be nice to have it in because remember the overall functionality is that all of this is going to be going inside a Google Calendar. So if I were to include the instructor, it'd just be part of the calendar summary. And it just doesn't like if it's giving me a headache to extract the instructor, I'm just not going to include it for now, is what I'm saying. Optional, great option, do not need that. Oh, actually, I might just need to write all of them because sheesh. Wait, let's see how I do this. Because how is it grabbing everything? Oh man, is it using? Yeah. Honestly, it wouldn't really be a big deal. Like, okay, so for example, right now the time string is located in column 8 because in my previous implementation I extracted all the data from every single row. But as I explained yesterday, my way of doing that was it was kind of hard coded to only work for one PDF file, this one. So that's why I'm using Regex now. But yeah, all that means is that in the future, when I'm using this code again to actually make the ICS file, I'm going to have to, like, instead of row 8, this might be like row 5 or something, depending on which information I end up using. Yeah. Because, for example, like I don't need to grab the grade option. I mean, would that be a hard like regex expression? Because grade options can either be L or P/NP. I guess it wouldn't. If there's only two options, I would just have the regex be grab either a capital L or a P/NP. Okay, what you know what? I'm not gonna predict the future. Let's just we'll just say we're gonna grab everything for now, and then if we don't, we don't. Sure, that all can be changed later. Okay. Units. Yeah, like dude, units does not matter, but whatever. I can get it to work, I can get it to work. Like at that point, I'm just putting myself in Regex torture for no reason. Days is super important. Obviously, so is time, but we have that one. Building, I actually would want that because I just feel like it'd be important in your calendar to see like the building, like where it is and the room, obviously. Because I mean, that's like the information I would put in my calendar when I was manually making them. Status, bro, does not matter. Did I use status here? Action. Okay, yeah, that I don't need to put action. I should just really clip that, but it's fine. I'm not going to include status. It just does not matter. Because it's not like I'm building something that will statically change. What that will dynamically change. So cool. So this is, you can think of this as like the regex assignment. Once I'm able to build all of these and really just this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So it's like 4 or 5 more little regex searches I need to make. And then it should be good. Okay, but why did I just make all these variables? The reason was because I want to put all of these in a list. Man, I wish there was an easier way to do this. Whatever. This is going to be called our final data set. Final data set. It's going to be a list of lists. Like that. Where each list is going to have, hold up. What was my intention behind making all these variables again? Because I want to iterate through every string, every like regex search. So I'm going to pass in like, or this list I'm going to make from all these variables is what I want to pass in here. So what should I call it? Regexes? Regexi? What's the plural of regexes? Regexi? I'm going to name my daughter Regexa. Short for Regixinald. Okay. No way. I'm about to look up what the goddamn plural of regex regular expressions regex is. I guess based off the acronym, that's what it would be. Regex is. Because it's short for regular expressions. Why am I stuck on this? We're going to add a S there. We're going to call it a day. We're going to add I there and call it a day. That's funny. Okay. So I'll make us list. It's going to be subcourse, title, set code, section code. Bothering me. Boom. Okay. Type to instructor grade op unit days. No, not following the 80 character column width right now. Sue me. Okay. Time building room. Yeah. Okay. Bubbles. Okay. Sick. Now this parse data is going to take in my Regexi and yeah. And then now it's going to go for each row, and then for each regex and regexi. It's going to do this. Aha. Think happy thoughts. Happy thoughts. That's what you... Oh, no. What? What in the VS Code? Bro, what are we doing? Is it Shift Tab? I'm so sorry. Okay. Now this looks even more confusing, which is wonderful. But basically what's going on is for each row in the data, and then for each regex search, I'm going to query the row for the current regex string. And then I'm going to want to output list, right? Yeah. So final, this is where I'm going to write my final data set thing. Query equals return, then, which is going to be a list of lists. Ooh, this is going to be weird. Am I going to need to enumerate? I might need to, right? How did I do this here? I could have just looked at this. Oh, what the hell? Yeah, this scope is crazy. Oh, I saved it all at the end. Wow, I already had this written out. It's fine. We'll just do it like this. Like, how do I know where to append it? So I'm going to need to enumerate each row, right? Most likely. Because I want to append to the current row I'm at. I want to append Oh, and I want to append query dot group. That's how this should work. However, if I don't get a query, then I just should append nothing, because I still want there to be stuff there. So I'll append the empty string if my regex fails, and you know what makes more sense actually? It's if query not equal to none. Then we do final data set, use our index, current index, because it's a list of lists. Row append to the current row in our table. The first element in that row is going to be the output. And what does group do again? Why am I using group? Search. I don't even know what the hell this is doing. I do. I don't. But a little low energy again today, unfortunately. So I'm not talking as much. It's not as interesting. Man, streaming is actually kind of exhausting. Oh, right. The point of group was because search returned a match object, and then dot group returns the part of the string where there's a match from the match object. Right. That's why I have group. Okay. So the way this is currently set up looks good. Oh, looks good. Do I need an else? Like, I could do this two ways. I could be like, then continue to the next iteration. But we're just gonna add else because makes sense. Else final data set idx dot append nothing. Okay. And right now I'm going to hard code just to test if this works. I'm going to hard code Regexi to just be subcores and then time. And then we're going to see if this works. I don't even know what this is. Oh, I guess instead of this, right, I could call regex search in here. Fine, let's just do that because it'd be literally the same thing. Oh, but then I'd have to pass in a data set. Man, let's just keep the code in here. It's fine. Okay. Oh, and then at the end, oh, Oh, this actually does need the final data set, and this needs to be created on the outside because it needs to like save it somewhere that isn't just like in a local scope to the function. Boom, boom. Yeah. Call this output. And then output. And then we're going to want to print what parse data does with select rows, what it does with the regex, all the regex strings I have. And then I wonder if it's like the same name is going to mess it up, but we'll find out. And I'm going to want this empty list of lists for it to put all the data in. Cool. Let's see what breaks. Sick. Index list out of range. Oh, right. It doesn't even, the output right now is empty. Man, how do I know to start a new line then? Huh. Oh, it should just do that automatically. Or should I? Right. Maybe I should just save it to like a local list. And then at the end of the inner for loop, append it like outside of the inner for loop, but inside the outer for loop, append the local list to the final data set. And then that's list one. Yeah, that's what I need to do. So we're going to create a local list. And yeah, so this is going to be like row data. Just an empty list. This is going to go to row data. So is this. Wait, but then this is the same issue. Oh, but now I don't need this index. Yeah, that's the point of this. Don't need this index. And then at the end we're gonna go output dot append row data. Yeah. By the way, I don't think I'm gonna make my next project in Python. Or if I do, I'm gonna use type hints because it like makes me nervous that I don't have to state the types of anything. Like it just feels wrong. Wait, why isn't append working? Man, this is the thing I hate. Like every time something's not yellow, I start tweaking. But this looks fine, right? To the output, append row data. And then at the end, should my function return something? Yeah, I should return output. That way I don't have to use print. Or I can now. Yeah. So return the final data set and then print that. Okay, let's see if this works now. Oh, cool. Wait, is this working as intended? Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it is. Huh. Knee stretches. 1 second, gonna need a stretch. Okay, pretty cool stuff. Because as you can see, all right, if I were to like print this for every row, how would I do this? And then maybe I should just make like a quick print function so it looks nice, right? So def print final data, and it's just going to take in my final data set. Yeah. And then there doesn't need to be a space here. And then see, this is like every time I make a function, it's copying it, which bothers me too, but whatever. Like, it just doesn't have to be copied, you know? I don't know why I'm crying so much. Like, if I'm using Python, so those are the trade-offs, I guess. And then for each row in data, we're going to print the row. Yeah, just something simple like that. Did I not literally make that function already? Oh no, that was for the PDF format. Yeah, and to call that, we're just gonna go. I'm gonna save this parse data. I'm gonna call it oh, this is what I can do. I can call this once, then print final data on my final data set. Oh, is someone calling me? Where is my phone? Oof. Just ran over my toe. My toes. Oh, wait, hold up. Pretty cool. Don't know where my phone is. Maybe that's why I've been focused for so long. Let me find that. I should find that. Wonderful. So I just missed out on food. That sucks. Hopefully I still get something. Oh wow, when I'm not doing anything is when I finally get a viewer. Hello, viewer. Nice to meet you. Okay, so wait. Okay, I'm still getting some food. Wonderful. Sound. Just getting some pho. Okay. What was I doing? This should just be called print data. Yeah. What was the point of this? The point of this was to print out all of my damn. Sorry, I'm trying to secure this pho right now. Like it's kind of crucial. Pho is really good. But regular. And honestly, I actually want like some sort of like fried rice thing, but I'm on a cut. I'm trying to lose fat and just can't afford in the calories for damn my viewer left. So happens when you're boring as hell. Anyways, so now this should, yeah, okay, cool. Why is my first row empty? Why is it looking at the first? Wait, what? Oh, is this printing something? I mean, I guess it really doesn't matter. I just don't get why there's like another bracket here. Yeah, that means honestly, it doesn't matter. Point is now that I can see what regexes are currently being interpreted, and yeah, it seems like okay. So it seems like my subcourse one and my uh time one are working perfectly, which is great. So now let's test it for the other file. And same thing, that looks good. Those are all the times I want, right? Six times, 2 class names. And this other one was sheesh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. And 3 class names. So that's good. Okay, so let's try to get. Oh, okay. Now, honestly, I'm glad I did this. Because now I know that as long as I. Okay, we're going to make this more clear. But now it's kind of like I made my like assignment, like I made my little sheet. And the reason why I'm hard coding this is because I'm just want to test them one at a time. And then at the end, I'll put it in the order that it needs to be for it to be processed correctly. Okay, so I guess what should we knock out next? Title, right? We were trying to do the title a while ago here with something like this. But that seemed like it sucked. And what was our idea? What was our idea? Our idea was to get the okay. Hmm. Yeah, title's gonna be a little tough, bro. Honestly, I'd argue that it's not even necessary for my calendar project. Okay, honestly, I should like what minimum viable product this, and I should only use the parts of this data that are extremely necessary because like honestly like when I was making my calendar uh in college I would just do like the subject course and then yeah so okay so for example like the most necessary ones are some sort of identifier. We got the subject course, that's fine. This is the most important one I feel like. uh the days and the type. Days, type, time, building room. So one, two, three, four, five. So five more are definitely extremely necessary. I think I can knock out type really fast because it's just two capital letters together. Yeah, I'm pretty sure like there's options. It's I can have finals, discussions. Okay, I can have lectures, discussions, labs, midterms, finals. So I think I can just use the or. See, these are easy because they're not what's the word general, like there's only like five or six things they can be, so I can literally look for those exact strings. So we're going to put it in a set which is uh how we or I guess, and I want to look for if I do L, how do I do groups inside the set? Hmm. So it's going to need like be a nested set. Yikes. I wonder if I do this. I wonder if I do this, if it'll just like treat LE, concatenate it first, and then look for an LE. And I wonder if I could do something like this. Like, okay. You know? So, right, the point I already have. And instead of having to run it here, I can just paste this into like the little regex dojo thing we got here. So this is like all the possible data. So this is how it's like a nice environment, to work on your matching. Okay. Wait, how does this one look? Oh, crap. Okay. Cool. So this is, what is this matching? Yeah, it's not doing what I wanted it to do. Like, match a single character present in the list below. LE, yeah, why isn't the DI have parentheses? That's annoying. So this is just giving me every L, E, D, or I, which is not what I want. So I think, unfortunately, it's going to have to be a little more complicated. Or maybe, can I just do this? Oh, and then this is a problem too, right? Because it has to be strictly LE, but only 2 characters. So, okay, the way we can do that is LE followed by a space. And that is the only situation in which we'd be looking at the lecture column. Yeah. And then how do I do how do I or something? Let me look that up. Oh, actually, I don't think I need to look that up. If I remember from my reading yesterday, there was the bar, right? Where A and B create arbitrary regular expressions, creates a regular expression that will match either A or B. An arbitrary number of regular expressions can be separated by the bar in this way. This can be used inside groups as well. As a target string is scanned, regular expressions separated by the vertical bar are tried from left to right. When one pattern completely matches, that branch is accepted. That's what the behavior I'm looking for. Yeah. This means that once A matches, B will not be tested further, even if it would produce a longer overall match. In other words, the bar operator is never greedy. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much exactly how I want the bar to work. So, oh crap. Like if I, so either this, where did my bar go? That's interesting. Okay. Or I want it to look like this. Nice. Or, oh, this is really straightforward. Or I want it to look like this. Or I want it to look like this. Or lecture, midterm, final, lab, discussion. Lectures, midterms, finals, labs, discussion. I wonder if like in the performance aspect, like should I put the most common ones in the beginning? I really don't think it matters. But maybe it'll just bug me, so we'll just do that. Cool. And now this is like both my schedules combined into one. I'm getting every single one of the type columns I want. Yeah, that was super straightforward. Looks good to me, bro. I think that's fine. Yeah. Watch this. Now, after we're gonna add type regex here. See, now I'm glad I built all that like infrastructure because now it's really easy to just test out to see if my code works. Sick. Yeah, that's exactly what I want. And then, bro, you know what I should do? Like, I'm getting really tired of. It's fine. We'll keep doing this for now, but just know that there's definitely a better way to do this switching thing I'm doing. That was a tactical mute right there. Super high skill level mute. We muted a very nasty sound. Okay, yeah, dude, yeah, that's perfect. It's exactly what I want it to look like. Sick. This lab thing is gonna be annoying. Probably. Hold up. Man, I need to track my calories. Don't want to do that. I'm like a day behind. Really easy to lose track of that. Okay, this is good. Now let's regex for what did we say was most important? Type done. Okay, days. Damn. And building. Damn. In room. Damn. All those are gonna suck because they're so general. Like some rooms are just capital letters and other rooms are letters and numbers. Some rooms are just numbers. Yeah, that looks borderline impossible. Damn. We'll tackle that bridge when we get there. I think what are we better off trying to do the days? So there's I know there's like okay, there's like 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if it's a repeating uh repeating event, right? Like a lecture discussion, it'll give you the days that it repeats. And the days can be either Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And Monday, Wednesday, and Friday are represented by a single capital letter, but Tuesday and Thursday are represented by uh, a capital letter and the lowercase letter of the day. Then, if it's an actual event, then it'll just look like a date time object. But in this case, again, Saturday. So, okay, you will never have a test on Sunday, but Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday are have 2 letters, where all the other days have 1 letter representing them. So what does that tell me? There's gonna be a or somewhere in here. Okay, actually, let's just work in here. Done. There's gonna be a or. I have a feeling it's gonna be easier first to try to get the single event ones. So I still am not completely sure how the capture groups work. Like, whatever. I guess we can start with a simple example, right? I'll put this in a group. I'm looking for either Monday or maybe I can put in that in a set. Hmm. T T U T H. Here's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna have 3 bars or 2 bars. One of them is gonna be a set where I can have either capital M, capital W, or capital F. These are all the ones that can be represented by a single capital letter. Or I am going to have something that looks like this, where I can have a T, or T, then followed by an A or a U. Okay. Okay, and this is again, damn, this is gonna be tough. Let me get rid of this last one for now. Shh, Regex, man. Regex, man. Oh, why did I put an A? Whoa. Okay. It's gonna be either Tuesday or Thursday in HRU. Yeah. And there needs to be, just so it doesn't like if the word the is in anywhere else in the schedule, and I don't want it to grab the. So there needs to be at least one. For this string, there needs to be at least one of them. One or more of THs or TUs. Any amount of a, oh no, this is doing any amount of H and U. I actually want any amount of, yeah. I want any amount of THs or any amount of TUs. Man, I need to read up on how capture groups work because I don't think it's working how I think it works. Contents of a group can be retrieved after a match has been performed. It can be matched later in the string. Oh, so honestly, let me just ChatGPT this. How are capture groups supposed to be used? Yeah, what is the purpose of capture groups? So they're for extracting substrings, referencing matches, grouping for quantifiers. Okay, yes, I hate that you're giving my example. Oh. Wait, this is important. Oh, wow, this is weird. If I give no argument to the group method, will it just return the entire match and not any specific capture group? Oh, okay, this is perfect. And let me verify, right? Let's verify. Dude. How does group work? Dude, give me the flags functions, right? I would just want the function. Match, full match, split, find all, find iter, sub, purge. This is, I need to start doing this more. Brother, why can't I just get the write-up for group? Maybe I have to be more specific. Python, regex, group, documentation. This is really annoying. I would love to just see like, hey, this is the group function. These are its parameters and stuff. I guess I can't get that. That's frustrating. Thank you. This is all I want. This is all I was looking for. Sorry, we're in light mode right now. This doesn't work with dark mode. We're just gonna have to deal with it. uh, Optional. Group defaults to 0, meaning they will return the complete match string. Return -1 if the group exists, but did not contribute to the match. Weird. Okay. Yeah. So here we have capture group 1, capture group 2, capture group 3. Yeah. Print the first parenthesized, second parenthesized, third parenthesized. For a tuple of all matched groups, interesting. Or for the entire match. Okay, perfect. Yeah, that's exactly what I want. Oh, is that what I wanted to do? Oh, so I guess that means parentheses can be used for finding substrings within your match or just applying operations, or like how you would use parentheses in math, right? Like you apply an operation to an entire group of symbols. So my like intuition of using it in that sense is fine, and it won't cause any weird behavior as long as I'm only calling group with no parameters, because that's how I want it to be called. So okay, all of that to say, that this is still wrong. Are there only 2 options for classes? Okay. Uses the class days options. Man. Reddit about to not solve my problem. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Sheesh. Now this goes into like how general I want to make it. But honestly, like there could be instances where I have, where there are classes that are like Monday and Thursday or something. Okay. Let's just try to tackle that problem. Like, what would be something crazy? Something crazy would be like Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. That would be insane. So this is our hard mode challenge. But one thing at a time. For now, let's try to get, a Tuesday, Thursday. This gets Tuesday, Thursday. That's good. Now let's try to get a Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So I want to get a Monday, Wednesday, Friday. This should only exist 3 times. Cool, right? Yeah, that looks good. Or we can have single day events. Where it's an example of that here. A discussion is only 1 day a week, right? So, or I can have something that looks like this. Something that looks like Monday. Judging by my interpretation of how these parentheses work, this should be fine. Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, even Saturday. Oh no, Saturday will only be for test days. Or can labs be on Saturday too? Screw it, we'll just throw it in there. And then, man, I hate that you can't like just group 2 letters. Can I look that up? ChatGPT to group 2 letters, 2 characters in a set such that it will match one instance of the pair of letters. I see. So sets are just not the way to do that. Oof. That means we're about to have a dude, man, Regis can get nasty. If that's the case, then we're about to have a ooh, I know what's about to happen. Okay. We're gonna restart this. Or another parentheses. And in this one, we're gonna have more ors. So that's confusing. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Or Tuesday, Thursday. So the way I'm thinking about this is like this is my single damn, my hands are small. My single okay. So like this section, right? This is like classes that repeat 3 times a week section. This section is the classes that repeat twice a week section. This is for tests or discussions. Actually, no. I want this to be like for discussions or labs that only happen any event that happens once a week. And for any event that happens once a week, it's going to look like either one of Monday, Wednesday, or Friday, or a Tuesday, or a Thursday. Yeah, man. But it's so that's the issue with this. It's matching any capital M or any capital W. Oh, so obviously the way we solve this again is we must have a space. Hold up. We should change the flavor. It's fine. Let me just okay, so the issue is we're still you know what? It has to be preceded by a space too. Cool. Yeah, this is matching everything I want. Match 9. Group 2F. Oh, so this is the whole match. It's matching with the space, which you know is fine. Okay, so in something like this, right? I'd want to Oh, this isn't good. This is 2 separate matches. I want it to be one match. Hmm. Yeah, why isn't this matching like together? Man, Regix is crazy, bro. Bro. Oh, it's because of this. Right, this little new thing I added in. Yeah. Okay, this is right now I'm in one capture group. Cool. Or I for a single event, I should just treat it that way. And the way I'm going to do that is by implying that I have to have a space, and then I can either have a oh, I wonder if this dude, this is crazy. It's fine. It's fine. I can have a space, and then I can either have a T and a U or a T and a H. And that should just grab any individual T UHs like this one. Yeah. Why isn't this one being grabbed? Yeah, why isn't this being grabbed? That is so strange. This is beautiful. Who made this? Yeah, that's nice. First alternative, right? First alternative, uh, repeating class Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Second alternative, repeating class Tuesday or Thursday. And honestly, this plus is going to mess things up. So you could say that there has to be two of these. There has to be two of, I could be even more specific. It has to be, and at that point, bro, like, why? Oh, why is there parentheses here? Like at that point, just give me the Tuesday, Thursday. Yeah. The third alternative is, yeah, why am I not grabbing just one M? Oh, because my parentheses is in the wrong spot. Duh. There we go. No. Damn. There needs to be or here. Yeah, if I add a space in a regex, will it like look for that extra space? It will. Okay. I have to be as compact as possible then. But now this is working as intended. Okay, so yeah, like imagine like you're trying to like understand my code. I'd have to provide exact documentation for what each regex pattern does. It's fine. It's fine. It's not an open source software. How long have I been coding? An hour 36. That's cool. That's cool. So, and then because the way the OR operator works is it will match the first instance it finds. I would want to match something like this before I match something like this. because otherwise my code is gonna find this like it's gonna match these single days followed by an exact date, which isn't good. So that means I'm gonna make another capturing group. Have this one go here. Let's just do like XXX for now. Right, and what I wanted to do is, so I can copy this for sure. Oh, honestly, it's gonna be like this entire thing. For safety, we should probably put another backslash s here. Yeah, and then at the end, like we can clean up these strings if we need to. That's not an issue at all. And then what I'm going to do is basically copy this entire regex expression, paste it into here, and then so this first expression handles like getting individual days, right? But for tests they don't repeat, they're on specific days. So I'm not only am I going to want to get the individual day, I'm also going to want to get the entire date time string. And here's how that works. I think it's going to be, give me any number 0 through 9. Yeah, any number 0 through 9, or any digit. That's why we have D. Any digit, and I want it twice, followed by slash, and then this just repeats. Any digit. Like, dude, at this point, it's like I'm coding its own thing. It's kind of crazy. Oh, right. If I want to, man, I have to like escape the forward slash. Oh, crap. Okay. Where am I? I'm going to space this out before it kills me. If I want to get a forward slash, I have to escape it with the backslash. These spaces are going to mess it up, huh? Fine. Okay. Then I do the same thing. Backslash D, give me 2 of them. And then again, escape the forward slash. And then at this point, I can have any 4 numbers. Yeah, any 4 numbers. I mean, if I want to be, I feel like I'm choosing how long I want to support this app if I ever release it, or website. We'll let it be supported for the entire time span of the human race. And the way we're going to do that is by doing this. Yeah, so now for infinite, as long as we don't go past the year 9000, this website will still work. So that's good. Okay. Now it seems like, yeah, I'm getting, this case is going to make me want to die. I really think I'm just not going to worry about that for now. And then the other case is that I can literally just have the words TBA. And boom. Like this is a group and this is the match. Oh, these are both matches. Wait. These are both matches, but this one gets overridden. Group 0. Ah, yeah. So when I return group, it returns group 0. That's good because that's exactly how I want the OR operation to work. Beautiful. Tuesday, Thursday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Monday, TBA, TBA, TBA. Why are these matches like out of order? Oh, there's more TBAs here? Oh, whoa. Multiple things can have TBA? Are you kidding me? That sucks. Brother. But because it's in one row, it's only going to match the first TBA, which is fine. If the days are the days are TBA, the times TBA, everything's going to be TBA'd. So we coolin', we chillin'. Oh, oops. Okay, that's fine. It's only going to return one from the row at a time. Wow, this is a fat. And you know how we built it? We built it one step at a time. I think that's every case besides this case right here, which I'm just not worrying about. Like I said, if you somehow you picked a class and it was on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, boo-hoo, bro. Oh, actually, that does happen. I've had classes that repeat. So, what is this? This is beautiful. Oh my God, Lord. Wow. This is every possible combination. Oh, I didn't think about the summer. That's trash. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Monday, Friday. Ooh. Oh, so we're using T for Tuesday here, but okay, whatever. So this is the TU. Damn. Damn, this is the gold mine. Now I have all my cases here and I have a lot more work now. Like I don't want to keep on adding ores. But no, but I have to because each row has to have one day or 1 day section. So if you gotta ore it, you gotta ore it. Let TBA be the last one. Or it can be, it seems like, let me go back to this. So when doing combinations of 2 days a week, okay, so this is saying you can either do Monday, Wednesday, or Friday, or you can do Tuesday, Thursday, right? Which is I already handled both of those cases. Or you can do any combination, any 2 element combination of one Monday, Wednesday, or Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Friday, Monday, Friday. Oh, but you can't do Wednesday, Friday, which is fine. I mean, yeah, okay. So that implies. So how do I test for this? I'm gonna just add a whole bunch of rows. I'm gonna add like a Monday, Wednesday here. I'm at a Wednesday, Friday here. And then I'm at a Monday, Friday here. Those are the three options. Monday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Friday, Monday, Friday. Cool. I'm going to add an M, W, an F, which I think we already handle. I'm going to add Tuesday, Thursday, which we already handle, or just Tuesday or Thursday. Dude, this is beautiful. I can like build my test cases. What a fantastic tool. I love this website. So cool. Monday, Wednesday, or Friday, which we already did. Tuesday and Thursday, which we already did. And then here's where it gets weird, right? Summer. Monday, Wednesday, which is included in one of the ones we need to get. Tuesday, Thursday. This is all standard. This is where it gets crazy. Oh, so okay, actually, that's not that crazy. This is the only other option I need to worry about. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. A 4-day a week schedule. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Wait, if these are the only options, it makes my life so much easier. Monday, Tuesday. Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Beautiful. Okay, so to get these MWs, WFs or MFs, bro, honestly, I could be clever, or because I know that these are my only options, Monday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Friday, Monday, Friday. Monday, Wednesday. Yeah, because I know these are my only options, I could just or it. Okay. So we're going to start one whole group just to group it together nice. It can look like this. It can look like this. Or it can look like this. Dope. So that takes care of those cases. And it's never, and then these are all ors. These are just individual, so that's fine. And Monday, Wednesday, or Friday, we already did. That was here. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Wednesday, Friday, Monday, Friday. Let me make sure I'm doing this. Yeah, that's fine. Then to get this one, I'm literally just going to have that be another case. Boom. Donezo. Now I wonder if it'll show up like this in WebReg. I'm assuming it will. Yeah, now this is complete. I'm so glad I found this. This is amazing. Standard teaching time, public codes, publication schedule. Oh, schedule classes, how to build. What is this? It's like for the staff. Okay, whatever. Dope. Give me this entire regex. Give me that. This was all for getting the days, right? I don't need this /dm. Now watch this. Oh, we already got the type. What's the order? Subject, type, days, time. So we're going to put the days here. Y'all see this? Oh, where's my F? Oh, no. Right, there needs to be. Ooh, no. So for some reason, we're matching MW before we're matching Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So I definitely need to look into that. Other than that, though, TBA, these dates are looking good. Yeah, this discussion is once a day, Thursday, Monday, Wednesday. This is looking good. This is looking good. This is looking good. This is looking good. But yeah, so I guess let's go back into here. And let's see why that's the case. You would think. One would think that this would be the first thing I get. So maybe I need to specify that I'm doing it in Python. Wow, that is strange. That's just strange. That's just strange because, like, in this editor, it's not telling me that it would match Monday, Wednesday individually, but yet it is. It is. The code's doing what the code's doing. Oh, why is there a backslash here? Hmm. Chat. Yeah, that backslash doesn't need to be there. That might just have been what the issue was. Dope. Dope. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. I should add some sort of like little string. Like before I append it, I should. How do I get rid of what's that function again to get rid of leading and trailing white spaces? Yeah, it's just strip. Okay. So after I query the group, strip it. Strip me like a string. And then now that should get rid of like, and I needed these spaces to like do the matching properly, but when I actually put it in the list, I would rather not have the spaces. Perfect. Now everything's stripped. Okay, is this correct? Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Monday, TBA. A whole date. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Only Thursday. A whole date. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Nice. So now let's try it for the other one. Snack that smiles back. Goldfish. And cool, yeah. Tuesday, Thursday. Oh no. That's not good. Right, because there should be a day before this. I didn't think about Saturday. Bro, testing, yeah. And the fact that I'm only testing with 2. Oh, and you know what? That's interesting too, because the website didn't say that Saturday was even an option. Oh, this is just for teaching. It didn't say anything about tests. Interesting. Okay. That's fine. I just need to place an option for where do I do my date? This is like getting the date thing. How is this getting a whole day again? Oh, right. It's this section here. This capture group, my first capture group. Okay. So I need to add an OR here. And this OR is that, oh no. Why is it doing that? Oh, because I highlighted everything, right? Add an OR in this capture group that basically says, same thing, space, and then there's the Saturday option. Should be it. Also, like, where did I not paste that in? Shot. Oh yeah, what? Why is it like on? Huh? Ew, dude. Oh right, because I was like, oh, I'm gonna test it one thing at a time. Blah 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 blah. I really don't want to like. Please tell me I printed it out at some point. Yeah, see, I wanted to print this. This is the actual representation of that. Eres todo lo que me dices soy, porque cuando tú me dices que no sé ni soy. Perfect. Now we have both schedules, and we're correctly grabbing the Saturday string as well, which is, I mean, yeah, pretty intuitive. Pretty intuitive as I have this insane expression at my feet. This is what I need. Eek. Go to my code, and I want to add that right here. Oh, no. Right here. Eek. Perfect. Now, give me Saturday. Boom. Safe to say, I am a novice. Did I make it to novice Regexer? One can only pray. One can only pray. The light, I wonder how the lighting's going to be if I turn on my fan light. You know, that's something. Now it's blown out in 2 places, which is amazing. Little ambient light thing. Something. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Yeah. Okay. So what I could do is comment this entire regex so I understand it completely and thoroughly. I don't want to do that. You know, the regex explains itself. I should just add each case, huh? Maybe future me will thank me. Each possible day string day string separated clear which ones are like maybe I can like intuitively comment this. Bro, can I just really, dude? Okay. Number them, right? 1, This is really annoying. I could have just done this. Make this comment an entire new line. Now I can. No, I can't still. Great. Really? Fine. Okay, here we go. Here's how I'm going to make this simple for future readers. Option 1. Option 2. And this entire thing is like group 3. Maybe I could add borders too. Right? Yeah, okay. Inventing my own commenting style right now. Fight me. Diego Regex notation. Nice, 2. Here's the 3. Here's the 4. Here is... What was this one? Oh, crap. I might be misreading this one. This was just one of Tuesday or Thursday. Yeah. And then this is like the Monday, the only 2 of Monday, Wednesday, and Friday combinations. This is the weird summertime possibility, right? And then this is the last one. Boom. That's every... Okay. So now I could do something like this. And honestly, what I should do is like make each individual string into its own variable. And then now my regex just looks like a whole bunch of variables concatenated together. But it's fine. 1. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Option. 2. Tuesday, Thursday. Option. 3. Test dates. Option. 4 is the repeating single day, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Option. 5 is the same thing. Tuesday. My dad's outside cutting the grass. Really funny. Tuesday or Thursday. Wednesday, Friday. Damn it, bro. This sucks. I hate doing this. And the way I'm commenting it is like incredibly stupid. But whatever, bro. It's my code. Maybe not whatever. Maybe I should care about it. But I want to finish the program first. I want to say this is like kind of massive. It's been taking me a minute. 6. What was 6? 2 of Monday, Wednesday, Friday. 7. Summer class option. Okay. I just okay, this should go boom, 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 boom. Maybe this is why documentation exists. Like, yeah, maybe this is why. Damn, I've not texted people. It's what happens when you're locked in. It's what happens when you're locked in. Why did I do that? Because I'm hoping when I clean all this code up that maybe this commenting thing helped me out. That's why I did it. Okay. So yeah, like I know the idea is you want to be able to write good, clean code. And obviously this code is far from clean or good, but I just want to write like actual code first before I get to that part, you know? That's just me. That's just me though. Maybe after I clean my project up and make it in some sort of, usable format, that's when I'll be like, wow, I should do this while I code instead of after, because it sucks to do it after. Who knows? It's my first project ever. So so what's next? What did we say was most necessary next? We said building, room number. See, building is going to be crazy. Like, sheesh. Building is going to be crazy. Just like what? Any random collection of capital letters. Room is going to be even crazier. Like, it seems like 6 seems to be the limit to building names or building acronyms, but damn. The only distinguishing information I have about them is that they're in all caps. But rooms can be in all caps too. Oh, so how do I solve that? Like, I could group the... Dude, man, I don't even know where to begin with something like that. Instructor seems feasible. Last name, comma, first name or middle name. Should I just go ahead? Title. I need to get to title. Title is important, even though I said it wasn't. Oh no, I do. Bruh, who let me say title wasn't important? Because title later in my code for making the actual like calendar file, that's how I did. do the different cases for either I'm making a test or something like that. Oh, no, actually, that's the type. I use the type flag. So maybe title is less important. Title seems like a pain. What's more important? Instructor? Drop in the instructor in there. Honestly, I feel like I could knock out an instructor right now. So why not? Why not? Instructor is just going to be dude, this is insane. This was an insane one. But now it's getting kind of fun, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, instructor is just gonna be like, I don't know how big. Okay, I know needs to be a space. Then there needs to be any capital letter, right? Unless Elon's kid starts teaching at UCSD, then I'm cooked. I'm cooked for sure. But if that doesn't happen, we should be fine. Damn, what if someone's first name started with an Enya? That'd be crazy. Unicode. Okay. Space, capital letter. To be safe, any number of lowercase letters. How do we specify that? We're going to go A through Z one or more times, followed by a comma, followed by another space. Oh, I have to do. There we go. Yeah, nice. And I really don't see any other. I guess this could mess up the title. Dude, hey. Not dude, hey. Sorry. It's starting to make sense to me, like database construction wise. I'm starting to understand, like, or maybe it's completely by chance, but I feel like if this comma wasn't here, it'd be literally impossible to distinguish. Like, how would you make a regex for this that doesn't also grab this? Like, I don't know. So maybe that's good. Maybe that's good. Followed by a space. Then we're gonna have another capital letter. See, now this is kind of fun. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of fun now. Again, any letter A through Z. Boom. Any letter A through Z, any number of times. And then, honestly, I could just not include middle names. Call it a day. I'm calling it a day. I'm not including middle names. Middle name challenge. You know what? Just to prove to you guys I could do it if I wanted to, here's how we're going to do this. We're going to do, and then we can have, how do I do like nothing? Like an optional. I would add a question mark. So then this one's going to be optional, 0 or 1. And that's going to be, well, okay, first off, would be followed by a space. And then this is going to be A through Z. Oh, why the hell are there 2 spaces there? You see, that's annoying. That is annoying. Any amount of spaces, will that mess it up? I don't like that. Ooh, I don't like that at all. You know what? It could get ugly with adding the middle name. So I'm not gonna do my middle name challenge. Yeah, we're gonna call it a day at first last. Perfect. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. What was this for? My instructor. Huh. What the hell? What the hell is going on? Watch this, guys. Watch. Oh, where does instructor go in my after type? After type. See, now I'm flying through this, bro. This is impressive. Boom. Instructor perfectly matched for both cases. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Boom, first, last. Boom, first, last. Boom, first, last. Power of Regixinald. Regixinald, baby. Power of Regex. Power of Regex. Okay. Sick. I'm putting Regex in my resume immediately. Okay. Boom. Instructor. Done. I'm ducking. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I am ducking. I am ducking building in room number so hard. It's not even funny. I'm ducking it bad. I'm ducking it bad. You got it bad. Okay, my only saving grace. Ah, dude. This is crazy. My only saving grace is that it seems like there are no building. Oh, maybe I can just look it up, right? Building. UCSD. Building acronyms. Oh, here we go. Building and facility codes. A beautiful PDF from 2013. This ain't good. This ain't gonna cut it, man. This might cut it, actually. Why? Bro, like, how am I supposed to? There's a goddamn dash. What the fuck? Bro, if your class is in Uri Hall Edition, sorry. Bro, come on. This is no. Okay, yeah, this 2013 document is not gonna do me justice. Ask us documents. Acronyms and abbreviations. Getting a call. Give me 1 second. Yay! Yo. What'd you say? Wait, where's your face? What the hell? I am. Oh, did you just want to talk? Yeah. Okay. I just wanted to say hi. Do you want to talk? Do you have time tomorrow? No. I'm kidding. Yeah. Okay. What time is best for you? Because I don't have a job. Probably after 5. I get off at 5 tomorrow. Okay.
So
Bet.
like 7.
I'll call you then. Right now I'm live, bro. I'm live.
You're live?
I'm live. I got 0 viewers.
What do you mean you're live?
I'm coding live. I started coding live.
What are you coding?
Am
I live right now too?
No, I muted the thing.
I thought we were making somewhat of a comeback right now. Guess not.
I'm coding a program that you print out your WebReg schedule, and then it gives you a file, and then you import that into your Google Calendar, and then it automatically puts all your classes and tests into your Google Calendar.
And when will this be up and running? I'll tell students at the bookstore to download the program.
Yeah. Timetable is looking a little. Should I charge for it?
Yeah, you should. A monthly charge.
A monthly charge?
Yeah, you have to know what their schedule.
Bro, a quarterly charge?
I will advertise this.
What? It's $200? Is that?
I think that's realistic. that could be the annual fee. $20 a month. Right? That makes sense.
No, yeah, I think people will, bro, honestly, bro, if I make it $1, that's so goofy. I'm gonna make $5. Support the developer. I'm gonna add one of those little buttons. You know, the ones everyone closes?
Yes, you should.
Damn, I'm gonna be on the other end of that. That's crazy. All the times I ignored the Wikipedia donate button.
Now look at you.
Now look at me.
Well, good luck with your live, with your coding live. I hope people tune in.
Yeah, well, been kind of dry this time, but yesterday at one point I had 4.
You have 4 people?
Mm-hmm. But I'm not really trying to get famous.
I'm not being mean. Why would one tune in? Like, are they supposed to learn to code with you, or is it like entertaining?
Well, I'm very entertaining, first of all.
Yeah, but like, can they hear you?
Yeah. Like, it's like I'm just like screen sharing me learning and coding while talking about what I'm doing. But it is pretty boring. Like, I'm not expecting to be famous, but I'm just doing it because it's like helping me practice for interviews.
Why are you dimming your light right now?
I am?
This is next level.
How? What? Oh.
Sorry. Now go.
It's basically, this is all the extra shit you got to do to get a job now as a CS graduate.
To get a job?
Yeah.
Because you're trying to get a job within your major.
Yeah. Ideally, that would be great.
That would make sense, actually.
Because I did spend 4 years studying it, and then I spent money too.
That didn't click for me.
Yeah.
When I thought about you or other people getting jobs after graduation, you're like getting your big boy job.
Yeah. So that shit is not a fucking joke, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fault. I won't let it happen again.
Yeah. So.
My fault.
You can see the lengths I'm going to, bro. I've been streaming for 2.5 hours.
For what?
For 2.5 hours.
2.5 hours is crazy.
Oh, you should see my thumbnail. My thumbnail's like LeBron.
What is? I want the link.
Yeah, I'll show you the channel after I'm finished live. Let me see. Man. Well, you'll see it later, but yeah. But the point is that like it like helps me focus. Otherwise, I just won't do it because like I don't want to do it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But it's like if you're live, like imagine if Dom had issues. Okay, you know how Dom harasses women? So like imagine if he was live while he was out at the club. Would he harass women? Maybe.
That's real.
But
Put it in into perspective.
But probably not, you know. So now there's this pressure. So same thing with me. Like it's like I'm applying the pressure to myself. Honestly, I've learned that I have to, you know, like work in silence. I can't do that. I can't do that. I'm not Damian Lillard. I'm Andre Drummond. I'm Andre Drummond posting me shooting step back threes every summer.
I forgot about that, man. Oh my god.
Hey, he's back.
Wait,
he's in Philly.
I randomly remembered. Did you mention Kay Felder before?
I did.
How do you know Kay Felder?
It's just some random player. One of my high school point guard really liked.
What?
Why?
I felt like that was like the most niche NBA player.
Like I said, I only know him because I think he had like a video on YouTube that went viral about him in like the G League. And then my point guard, he was like into like shift, like he loved Kyrie Irving and he was like super shifty and stuff. So he was like, bro, this K Felder guy, he's like short and he's like doing it. And I was like, damn, pretty cool. But yeah, obviously he fell off the face of the planet.
I saw him in summer league. He was killing out there. It was like,
oh, he was playing?
Not this year, but like when I was younger.
Oh.
And he was my favorite player in summer league.
Really?
And then I started playing with him because right before summer league, right after summer league is when 2K comes out. So as soon as the next 2K came out, I was like grinding with him on 2K, even though he was like a 60 whatever on like the Cavs, I think. But then I met him outside summer league. Like I sat there and kind of waited for him. I think I took a picture with him, but I don't.
What?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I don't know what happened to that man after he left the Cavs.
You final destinationed him, bro. You took a picture with him and he killed his career.
I did. I was probably like he was short. That's a short man.
Yeah. And he was cooking. Man, I miss Isaiah Thomas.
Moment of silence for our team.
I'm going to say that right now on the live. Moment of silence for Isaiah Thomas. All right. I'll talk to you tomorrow after 5.
Wait for the animation. Yeah, yours doesn't work.
Yeah.
That's ass. Right. Maybe you should program that.
Maybe, yeah. Okay. All right. See it. Moment of silence for Isaiah Thomas. He didn't pass away, but his NBA career should have gone a lot differently. Sorry, also not sorry to my 0 viewers. No one's watching anyway, so whatever. What was I doing? Right, bruh. Like, what? We got goddamn ampersands in here. No. Building is gonna be. What's my other option? My other option is to scrape this entire website for every single acronym. Dude, like this is nasty work. But yeah, I mean, okay, so what? Bro, I have a class at CRF/LRC/RB. Is that like a football position, bro? What are we doing? What are we doing here? Damn, bro. Okay, yeah, this one is going to be tough. All I know is that I have 3 capital letters in a row. Minimum. Maximum? Who knows? However, I'm curious. Is there going to be one? Yeah, see, like, this one is... I can't do a maximum, unfortunately. I would love to do a maximum, but I can't do it. I have a feeling if I just do 3 capital letters, any 3 capital letters that aren't Monday, the capital letters oh no, but if I do 3 capital letters, it's going to get the course codes. Dude. Brother. This is insane. Oh man, this is crazy. This is crazy because maybe I could have some sort of joint regex where like it grabs the second instance. Damn, bruh. That one is hard. How do I do that? No. How do I do that? How the hell do I do that? Oh. Guys, I just had an aha moment. ASMR aha moment. It's beautiful. This, oh, no, it's not. Wait, yes, it is. Guys, this solution is beautiful. This is a beautiful solution. And guess what? It doesn't involve regex at all. At all. At all. At all. Ready? Ready? Okay. Enrolled, I don't care about this. You know what that means? That means I'm going to completely delete this part from my output. And okay, so how am I going to do that? The way I'm going to do that is at all. Where do I like get my at all? Dude, this bro, this is so useless. Whatever. One last time. Actually, it wasn't useless. I use it later on to make the indices. Evergreen, please don't come home to me now. She don't love me no more. What? Who told me to use underscores here? Okay, so basically, I just need to get from raw rows. I need to slice it. Dot split, and then we're going to slice raw rows to be everything not including -1. Why? What are you crying about? It is closed, brother. Is it a double list? Did I declare it as a double list? No, it for sure is a double list. Ah, dude. What the Why are we doing this? Why are we doing this? Oh, that's right. My bad. It's a list of strings. Wait, what is raw rows? What is raw rows? Raw rows is raw data split and changed. What is raw data? It's a string, but the string is not by row. When does it become a by row thing? Each row is raw rows from... Oh, it's a list of strings. And oh, here it becomes a list of lists. See, wish I had goddamn list of rows. Yeah. Anyways. So I think what I want to do here is, like I said, include everything. And the last one is always exclusive, which means if I put a -1 here, what will that do? It'll not include the last item. And just to verify this, we're going to do a little print PDF format. Okay. And we could comment this out for now. Beep, beep. Okay. Oh, white. Right. Okay, I'm still getting enrolled. That's so cool. Oh, it's a string though. Dog, don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. Oh, maybe I have to change select rows. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Oh, because this isn't separated by anything yet, huh? Dude, am I gonna have to? Am I gonna have to CSV it, like comma separate it and then uncomma separate it? That might be the path I have to take. Oh, this chair is like elite. So much more. I can just move around. I can change positions a lot. Unfortunately, okay, so here's the methodology, right? The idea is just get rid of enrolled and then the last two words. And honestly, bro, I could have done this for the time too. But everything after that, I wouldn't have been able to do. So yeah, basically, if I put this into a list, by basic, split it by commas, and then I cut off the last word. Oh shit! But if I cut off the last, I guess what I'm trying to say is that I don't think Python will add a. Oh man. Okay, my bad. What I'm trying to say is that I'm concerned that in the rows which enrolled is not a character, I'm concerned that that it won't add that word to a list, and then I can't just say delete the last column. And there's definitely a way around that. Like I could probably maybe like specify I want X amount of columns. Nah, that, because this has to be my solution. This has to be my solution because there's no other way I can like regex. I mean, there is a way I can regex it probably, but it's going to be incredibly tedious. It's not going to be cool. Man, final seconds of audio, just beautiful grass mowing noises. Dude, how do I do this? Okay, I think here's my plan. My plan is dude, how do I do this? Oh, this is crazy. This is insane. All right, so here's how I'm going to do this. I'm going to look at the last character in the string. If the string is not a, if the string is not a capital letter or is not a digit, then I know that this is a row where the word enrolled is. Actually, I can just be way more specific than that. If okay, wait. Now this is crazy. Now this is crazy because there's nothing after this, huh? If the last character in the string is a lowercase d, delete. Damn, this sounds really jank, but delete the word enrolled. So delete every character up until you see a white space. Would be a better way to do it? Okay. Yeah. This is going to be my solution. So this is where I have a list of rows. So where do I iterate through every single row and select rows? What do we never? We're gonna have to do something like this. For row and select rows. I'm gonna have to say, and row is a string. So if row, and we're gonna look at the last character in this string. Yeah, nice. It's a string. Can I just use reg? Like, dude, like I wish I could just do. Is there a function? I could do it myself, obviously. What I could also do is just regex, see if the word enrolled exists, and then delete it. Oh, and then delete it from every single. That's the point of regex. Man, I'm getting kind of tired. I think I'm gonna call it quits. So tomorrow's agenda is maybe you should start using Obsidian. Damn, bro, I need to start LeCoding. Yikes. Yeah, we need to make like a schedule. Okay. So 8/8/24. For project, what I want to do is use regex to parse select each row in select rows and delete the enrolled word. And I'm sure this can be easily done using the Python library. If found, then return modified select rows in order to join each element with commas. I'm gonna just say CSV it. CSV it. CSV each row. And then in order to CSV each row and then remove, or not remove, but extract -1 and -2 elements to retrieve building and room number. Yeah, and that's going to give me my solution. Oh, and then will that be everything? Because what have I gotten so far? Oh, what is it crying about? Oh, there's nowhere to find it. Find it. I should save this. What was I doing? Oh, I wanted to see my progress, right? Because after that, obviously it won't be a regex anymore, but then that'll give me the building and room, and then title, and I'm done, dude. And then I should be able to parse everything. Then it should work for both files beautifully. Exciting stuff, exciting stuff. Oh, I still don't know why this is happening, by the way. We're gonna have to debug that at some point. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. I'm gonna hit the commit message. What's my commit message? Building regex data parser. Yes, I know how to do it in the terminal, but I have VS Code, so I'm gonna just do it with VS Code. Okay. Committed. Now it's on my GitHub. I'm done. Okay. Bye. Have a great day, guys.